Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So the question is the market crashing? Is the market crashing? Yes, the market is actually crashing at the moment, but I don't think maybe it's gonna be that crazy like maybe before. I think maybe this week we might have a reversal, and today I think we have service PMI, but we can easily see that all indices actually they are going down. We see Dow Jones, which is US30, it was going down, still going down. I think maybe we might have some reversal. S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, German 40, Eurostock, Nikkei. So everything seems to be selling. Everything is melting. But why? I think there is a fear of a recession in the US, and that might fuel the market to just move like that. You see that? So that is not actually a good thing for the market at the moment. You see that? But I think maybe if things might be worse, if service PMI also goes down, if it can go up a little bit, that will be fine. If maybe it's more than 50, that will be actually a good thing. I hope that makes sense. If a service PMI is going to be positive today, that might actually help the stock market to actually recover. But when we check throughout the week, we don't really have much. We have interest rates from Australia, employment change from New Zealand, let's see, inflation or unemployment claims from US, and employment change from also Canada on Friday. But the most important one here is going to be service PMI. We can see that during the week, we don't really have much from the US, you see. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's just jump straight to that. Let's just jump straight to the markets. What's happening? What's happening? I will start with DXY. We can see, or maybe let's say with the Euro USD. On Euro USD, we can see that, yeah, we were on a very nice downtrend structure. Then that downtrend structure, it seems like the market is breaking out. So that shows us that the dollar is quite is losing some momentum. So at the end of the day, we will see the market trying to do what? We will see the market trying to go even higher. I hope that makes sense. The market might continue to go up. And I think around this area, we also had a nice horizontal structure that we can use as a resistance. So I think this can actually be a very nice buy, especially when we are coming from this stronger downtrend. So as we already understand that there is a chance, or let's say the chance or the percentage of cutting the rates, or the chances are very higher. So we're expecting to see the rates cut next month. So this might actually slowly push the market to the upside. That's what we see at the moment. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one for you. If you maybe want to see the whole analysis, you can just go on our weekly analysis that we did yesterday, that we actually went through yesterday. So now we are on dollar index. What's really happening on dollar index? We can easily see that we are on a daily time frame. The market already broke out of the structure, which it was actually a nice support area. The market is no longer on that. So we have a structure that the market used before. You see that. So at the moment, we just conclude that, you know what, the market might start to go even lower, especially when we expect the rates cut. But this area here, it might be a very nice structure to know if maybe the market might reverse here, play around before we go down, or maybe the market will just continue going lower. But if it continues going lower, this will be the area that I think the market will find a nice support around 100.500. I think around this area. Yes, I understand that once we broke out like this, we expect to see a nice downtrend structure, but not this type of a meltdown. This is just a meltdown. It's not really a downtrend structure. So I'm expecting a proper move like this going further, but we'll have to wait and see. As I said, we have service PMI around 4, so that might change everything, you see. So, oh yeah, this thing is like seriously melting. So the market reached this level. Let's see, the market was here around January, so it took the market only a week to reach where the market it was on January. So means we can just stick to this and say, let's see, around this area the market is reaching that. I think we did have a sell, but we had some few reversals here. I don't know if maybe everyone was still holding that. So this is what we have on USD/JPY on a daily time frame structure. We saw a nice breakout structure. We did have some sells around this area. We had another sell pending order, but I think the market was just reversing here and there. But at the end of the day, yes, the market, it's melting. So this is the area that I think maybe the market will try to find a support before reversing. Obviously, with this type of a move, a reversal is needed, whether maybe we have the news or not, whether there is a recession or not. I think it will be good for the market to reverse a little bit and to have a proper structure that will actually show us the resistance and support so that we can easily jump on the market. But what we see here is this is an aggressive meltdown. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight days where the market was just going down. That's crazy. So a reversal is just around the corner. So we're expecting that. So I think around this area it's where we might find a nice resistance, and then the market maybe might reverse. So at the moment, we just need to relax. We are looking for those sell positions, but a reversal, it might happen any time. So now we are on GBP USD. I will be using daily time frame because these moves, guys, are crazy. If I use 4 hours time frame, sometimes they're not going to be nice and clear. So this is what we have on GBP USD. We can see that the market did touch at this level of a support area. We had a buy pending order and the market did reverse. We were in a smaller profit and the market reversed again, because once the market reverses, I think it will just go up and down, and some they will panic, and at the end of the day, they might even get out. But at the end of the day, I think the market will end up trying to go higher. Something like this. You can see that. We have these structures or where the market is actually respecting. So I'm actually bullish on GBP USD. So let's push to the next one. So is this crash is just a panic, or it's overrated or something? I think so. Because especially on Nasdaq and US30s, those companies are doing good, even though maybe there is this AI bubble, as people say. I don't think it's supposed to be that crazy. It's just that maybe people, they're just taking their profits. But this type of a sell, guys, whoa, that's not really good. That's not really good, you see. So yeah, now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? We can see that yes, the market has been actually showing us that it's going higher, but what we see here is the market is actually reaching the highest level of a support. We can see that we're no longer on this structure. We need to remove that. So we're expecting the market to just continue to go up. Yes, here we had a very nice uptrend structure. The market broke out. Again, the market is breaking out again there and moving to the upside. But when we check, I think this type of a structure can actually work very well. That can actually be our nice support area. I think the market already showed us several times that it's respecting this level. So maybe the market will end up trying to go even higher. Yes, we did have a buy pending order thing around this level, and we did smash that. But yes, it shows us that this area of a resistance, it seems to be very, very, very important at the moment. So we just need to wait and see what's really happening. So let me show you this on a 1 hour. Let me show you this on a 1 hour. It looks good. It's not really bad. You can see. So I can just remove this just because we already know that is a resistance. I will just use one clean line here just for everyone to understand. So on top there, we can see that, yeah, the market actually already has a resistance. On the bottom side, this is also already our support area. That is already our support area. So I'm expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. So we'll just have to wait. The tensions in the Middle East are brewing. And one way or another, we know very well that gold might also react to that, you see. So, you know, if maybe you want to understand the tensions or when things are not going very well, just check gold. It will show you so much stuff. If it's going higher, just know that something's not really going very well in the world of the market. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy sell there. You can see that the market is coming from this highest level. We're coming from this area. We had a proper support area there. We had a proper support area. And at the moment, we can see that the market, it's actually going down. This is the only structure that I think maybe the market will try to respect. If the market doesn't really respect this area, it means we will be going down to 38,000 around this area. Maybe the market will find a support there and before reversing. But at the moment, I think maybe this area might be something. This area might be something for the market to reverse there. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. Things are going crazy, guys. So take it slow. Take it slow. Don't fight the market. Don't fight the market. So this is what we have. You can see this area. This area. It's actually a very long support, or you can say structure, that the market can actually respect around this level. You see that? So if the market respects this level, that is going to be fine. We can have our buy pending order going further, going up. I think if we go up, we will just try to hold that longer because, yeah, I think the market, one way or another, the market will actually reach this area, even if it takes time. But I think the market slowly will end up reaching that level. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. What's happening on Nasdaq? What's happening on Nasdaq? On Friday, I thought maybe the market, let me just go on a daily time frame. I thought maybe the market was going to respect this area. On Friday, I thought maybe the market was going to respect this area. Guess what? The market broke out early in the morning. I did see that. I did check that earlier. Market was breaking. I thought I should jump in, and I was hesitating because this thing can reverse anytime. So I just waited for a nice buy. So I think the market will end up going higher. So this is what I see here. We have the last structure that we can use as a support. And I think the market actually tried to reach that around 17,250. Seems like the market reached that. I'm expecting to see a very long term, or let's say swing trade. I think the market might reverse, maybe reach this area, maybe at the end of today. Maybe by the end of the week, we might be maybe 19,000. It's possible, 19,000 something. If maybe things are, if people, they will be thinking otherwise. I think people took their profits around this area. So maybe now that it's time to buy some stocks. I think at the moment, things are quite cheaper. I think the stock markets, everything that you want to buy, it's going to be way, way too cheaper than last week. So which means it's a good time for us to look for those buy positions, and that will push the market to go higher. That's why we already have a buy pending order. Our TP is around this area, bit far. Maybe we can hold for 2 weeks or maybe a week. We don't know how long it will reach there. Yeah, it took 3 days actually to reach this area, but it might take 2 weeks to reverse to that point. It's possible. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a nice reversal. I think that will be good, but it's better to be safe. Let's not really fight the market. So on S&P 500, yes, the market is also doing the same thing. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. With our mentorship, we will be starting tomorrow, $60 limited offer, 4 months only. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. For VIP signals, we also have a special there for the $8 for only 12 months. That's very a good offer. So now let's go back on our S&P 500 on a daily time frame. I like what I see on S&P 500 because it seems like it's also respecting this area. We also have a buy pending order. After this breakout, yes, we expect the market to give us a proper reversal, especially with this type of sells. We never had this type of a sell since pandemic, since COVID pandemic. That's crazy. This 1, 2, 3 days straight sell, so that is not really good. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal, and I think around this area it might be a very good area for us to look for that buy, unless if maybe the market breaks out. This will be an area that we'll be expecting the market to reach around 9, let's say 5,000. Around 5,000 is where I think the market might reach. So let's push to the next one. Which is US oil. On US oil, we were already on this nice downtrend structure. The market is also aggressively selling. So I thought maybe the market was going to respect this area. The market is not really respecting that. So, but what I see here, it's a like aggressive move that shows us that actually inflation is heading like lower, but aggressively. I think the market is like seriously going to sell, obviously, and the stock market will recover, especially inflation when inflation is going down. And we expect Powell to increase the rates, or to cut the rates maybe with 50 basis points. And it's also possible they can also cut with maybe 75 basis points. Why? Because I think they are late, though they will be trying to cover, you see. They will be trying to cover up with the markets. But I think at the moment, we just need to chill out, guys. Let's just wait for a service PMI. Maybe the numbers won't be bad, and maybe we will see the market trying to recover. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, you can pause the video and you can just let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.